I don't know.
You ever seen those before?
No. I've never seen these.
Credit cards.
Name tags?
Batteries, maybe?
These are cakes.
Oh, wait, you can play these things. They're songs. You don't put them in there.
They look like those computer chips. Yeah. Night with the God. Movies, animation. Movies.
A disket.
Like you put it in like this little thing, it sucks it up. Like a player, I think. It's a movie.
Putting them in your computer or something?
Right.
Oh, I was right.
This,
What's the up thing supposed to do?
they're discs.
Yeah? Where do you put those discs?
And a radio. And a computer.
Yes.
Ooh, floppy disks.
What? What's floppy disk?
They're what you used to put in computers before they actually had CDs. And it's what you would store stuff on.
Floppy, floppy, floppy.
They aren't really floppy.
Oh, to like save it and stuff.
These were the old CDs.
That'd be awesome. Cause then I know that I've got it instead of the UPS thing that's super small.
Do you need a flash drive?
Yeah.
Yes.
Why are they called floppy disks?
Because they used to be floppy.
Mine's not floppy.
They-
Mine is.
Let me try.
Please.
They have
1.44 megabytes.
What's that about the equivalent of, you think?
Just less than
Say
a
that they'll put almost nothing compared to today.
It's like a very like subway surfers, I guess.
And if you put your hands on this, it just will kill you for that because that's how it reads stuff.
That's all that can fit on those.
Wow. Wow.
They're quite big. though.
That's why when you go on computers today, that's why they don't have A or B because that's where these used to go. That's why it's always C. It just goes on from there.
Well, they're really not floppy.